Hi, welcome back to Black RV. Today I'm really excited to introduce to you my new LaCrosse series. LaCrosse is a luxury, very feature-rich travel trailer that we just brought on board, and I think you'll see for yourself it has a lot to offer. Right here I'm in the $33.99 SE, and it is the rear living room model. I really like the way they've given you a lot of room here in this floor plan with the opposing slide outs. Also, I've got my hide-a-bed sofa here in the rear, so if I wanted to bring some company, they'll have a nice comfortable place to sleep. One thing I also really like is the way they've given you plenty of storage here in this back. So I've got storage up here, I have more storage down here, also a place to sit down, drinks, things like that on both sides. Then down below here I have an outlet on both sides. That's something a lot of RV manufacturers, they really don't put in enough outlets. I really like how many outlets and the placement of the outlets throughout this whole camper. Got a lot of windows right back here. Of course, the blackout shades, the V-lances, I really like them as well. Over here I've got the entertainment center. Now, big 50-inch TV comes standard on this one. Really nice feature. Also, it has the Wine Guard, I believe it's the Air 360 antenna, which is a much better antenna than what we've been using in the past, and it does give you the ability to add Wi-Fi to this unit. So very nice feature right there. Got my Bluetooth sound bar right here, my fireplace down below. So I mean, also that is an electric heater, so if you want to knock off a chill in the morning, that is fantastic for that. Now this is, like I said, a luxury travel trailer, so it does have the extended stay package to where, I mean, you got the heated and enclosed underbellies, fiberglass exterior, the upgraded insulation package, so that way you can do more longer season camping, more colder weather, more and stay cooler inside during our hot summers down here in Alabama. Now, got my recliners right back here. These are wall hugging recliners, very, very comfortable. 2 drink holders, place to put all my knickknacks and remotes right there. And then over here, I've got my freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. Now, I like the way they have done this table where you can get in and out without hitting your knees on anything like that. Also, I've got the big windows. That's a special feature on the LaCrosse, and I like those tall windows a lot, especially if you're looking at the lake, something like that. You're going to have a very, very good view. Over here in the kitchen, first thing that you notice is solid surface countertop all throughout. I mean, that is very, very nice countertops right there. Also, we're going to have the same thing here with the sink covers, so they do the matching sink covers right here. The nice big farm style sink. Of course, I got my sprayer faucet, so that way I can spray whoever, you know, I want there. And over here, one thing I really like is a little different, but it took me a second to get used to it. I don't have an oven, but I've got a 30-inch convection oven that is also a microwave. So I've got my convection oven microwave right here, and I mean, I'm getting rave reviews on those when I look through all the reviews. But also I've got a 3-burner cooktop, but what they've done is they've given you a lot more storage space by taking out that oven. So you get a massive amount of pots and pan space and pantry space right there. So I mean, really nice feature right there if you're looking for storage or looking to maybe stay 6 months in here. Down below here, going to have more storage. Of course, I've got a couple of drawers right here, nice touch. Got the 12-volt refrigerator. Over here, more storage, a nice big pantry. And as you see, that's nice and deep right there. Now this right here is going to be more for accessing probably your shower and things of that nature. We got a little more storage right here, but up here is a nice big pantry. Now, one thing I want to mention here, I've got one AC right here. Now this is my 15,000 AC, And in the bedroom, I'm also going to have a 13,500 BTU AC. So, I mean, really nice to have 2 air conditioners in a unit this size, especially with one being a 15,000. So you're going to have a lot of AC power in here, keep you nice and cool no matter what the temperature is outside. Bathroom right here. Now, if you notice, as soon as I opened the bathroom door, it saw somebody coming, so boom, that light come on. That's a nice little feature, especially in the middle of the night. But I got a nice big shower right here, nice tall shower. Got my skylight up above it, neo angle right here. Got porcelain right there, nice porcelain Dometic foot flush toilet. Nice, got my vanity here. All my controls really easy to get to. My hot water heater, gas and electric. Of course, my monitor panel there, just a medicine cabinet right here. But of course, I've got access from the bedroom into the bathroom, which is a feature my customers really enjoy. Here in the bedroom, first thing, king bed. I mean, so I got a full slide out here with king bed in it, offering me all this extra room in here. Really nice, but like I said, full king bed right there. 13,500 BTU. If you like it cold in your bedroom, I promise you, this one right here will do it for you. But got plenty of storage up underneath the bed also, so a lot of storage there. I've got nice big drawer right here, 4 nice drawers right there. Place for a television right here. There's my plug-ins. Of course, my amplifier there for the antenna. Got a full closet going across the front right there. So, I mean, lots and lots of clothes storage and all of that. So, really nice. Like I said, this is a camper that if you want to take and go on a 6-month vacation in, that's what it's built for. Join me in the next video here on the exterior. Hey everybody, here on the exterior of the LaCrosse, first thing you can't help but to notice is the nice big 50-inch TV here on the outside. Now, I mean, you've got your place here set up so you can mount the TV. Now, you can bring that one out from the interior and mount it out here very easily. Now, I have a second one I put out here, and I'm going to give it to you if you mention that you saw it here on this video. But this LaCrosse is very, very nice. The fiberglass exterior, I've got my front cap here, my 3/4 fiberglass front cap here in the front, of course my rock guard, but it is just a beautiful camper. Got 2 awnings here on the exterior, and both of these awnings are fully lit, so at night it's really going to brighten up this whole area. My 2 speakers I was mentioning earlier, right up there, so I mean, plenty. If you got the ball game going, you're going to be able to hear that plenty well out here. One thing also, got my solid steps, but these are actually wider, as well as the entry door on my LaCrosses are actually wider. So get a nice wide entry door. You got my of course grab handle right there. Like I said, my extended season package here. But this is an all aluminum frame, so it is a lightweight travel trailer. Got my exterior kitchen here. Now, I like this grill because, I mean, I can put, 4 hamburgers, a couple hot dogs, whatever right there. But it just really works better than the 2 burners that they used to put out. So, I mean, I got a nice full grill right there. Got a big refrigerator here for the exterior, some storage. So, I mean, really nice package right there. Also, all the LaCrosses have the stabilizer jacks, the electric stabilizer jacks, all the way around the unit as part of a standard feature. Back here, if you see the Furion mount right there, I've got an observation system that you can get for it. That I've got a rear camera, and you can put side cameras on the LaCrosse as well. Like I said, very feature rich. Of course, spare tire standard. Over here, I want to show you just a couple of quick things. I've got my easy tow right here, where, I mean, that's just where they set the axles a little bit further apart, where it makes it really does ride quite a bit nicer, especially if you get into any type of gravel roads and things like that where it gets bumpy. Also aluminum wheels right there. I've got right here my electric front jack. All of this, like I said, is standard. Got my control panel over here where, I mean, everything's real nice and easy to get to. I've got all my water hookups, exterior, you know, from exterior hose right there, battery disconnect, black tank flush, all of that, solar prep, all built in right here. So, I mean, very, very nice feature to have everything just in one convenient spot like this. Got more storage here. This is a 50 amp unit, like I said, 2 air conditioners. But like I said, to me, it is just an absolutely good looking travel trailer. But come check it out for yourself, or if you have any questions, hit us up online or give us a call.